Besties, we just left Tasto Life and I got one of the Crying Again boxes that I've been wanting, so they're all really cute. I'm kind of hoping for the frog, or Duck U is really cute as well. These are our options. Let's see. Are we ready, guys? I got Duck U!
Hey!
The one I wanted. Let's freaking go. She's adorable. Oh my god!
Let me see her. Oh.
It's a little duck. I love her. Alright, stay tuned. We are going to dinner at the Melting Pot tonight and you don't want to miss it. We're about to head out the door and go to the Melting Pot. Just wanted to give you guys a little quick check-in. I'm excited. This food finna bust.
This food finna
Bust my butt. I'm excited. I will give you guys a sneak peek at the food. Alright guys, we are starting to build my PC. We've got the PSU in there and the hard drive in there. We're going.
We're making progress.
I'm so excited. Look at the case we ended up going with. I love it so much. And guys, guess what? I'm gonna put this little cutie in there. It's gonna be so cute.
You got a lot of space, so you're gonna have a lot of opportunity for creativity. So.
Guys, these almond croissant, or not almond, these chocolate croissants from Trader Joe's are so freaking good. You let them sit overnight and then in the morning they're like triple. I'll show you. They're like triple this size, probably more than that. You put egg wash on them. They'll be so fluffy in the morning. They're so good. I'll show you in the morning. Good morning, guys. The croissants are done and I want to show you. They're so good. Here, I'll give you some light.